In the hidden corners of our world, from mountain tops to ocean depths, lives a creature of legendary resilience, the tardigrade, or water bear. Under a microscope, it looks like a pudgy eight-legged bear, lumbering through moss and lichen. But this tiny invertebrate is no ordinary animal. It's survived for hundreds of millions of years, outlasting dinosaurs and enduring mass extinctions. Tardigrades thrive wherever there's moisture-garden soil, Antarctic ice, deep-sea trenches. What sets them apart isn't their looks, but their supernatural toughness. They can survive boiling, freezing, crushing pressure, and radiation that would kill almost anything else. Their secret? A remarkable biological process that lets them pause life itself. This ability has allowed tardigrades to conquer the harshest environments on Earth and even survive the vacuum of outer space. How does a creature so small defy the limits of life? The answer lies in the next chapter of their story. The tardigrade's ultimate survival trick is cryptobiosis, literally hidden life. When faced with extreme heat, cold, or drought, the tardigrade shuts down, curling into a dry, lifeless-looking ball called a tun. In this state, it expels almost all water, replacing it with protective sugars and proteins that shield its cells. Frozen or dried out, it can wait for years, even decades, for better conditions. When water returns, the tardigrade rehydrates, unfurls, and resumes life as if nothing happened. This resurrection-like process lets it survive where others perish. Cryptobiosis isn't just a trick, it's the key to the tardigrade's global success. While other creatures must flee or die, the water bear simply waits. It's a strategy of patience and endurance, perfected over millions of years. This is what makes the tardigrade one of Earth's toughest organisms, and a candidate for surviving beyond it. In 2007, scientists put tardigrades to the ultimate test exposure to open space. As part of a European Space Agency mission, they placed tardigrades outside a satellite, subjecting them to vacuum and deadly radiation for 10 days. Most life would be destroyed instantly, but the tardigrades in their tun state simply waited. When brought back to Earth and rehydrated, many revived, moving, feeding, even reproducing. Some survived even the harshest UV radiation, though with some DNA damage. Tardigrades became the first animals to survive direct exposure to space. Their journey proved that life in some forms can endure the void between worlds. It challenges our ideas about where life might exist and how it might travel across the cosmos. Compared to tardigrades, humans are fragile, dependent on narrow conditions and technology for survival. The water bear, meanwhile, carries its survival kit within its microscopic body. Camels and penguins are tough, but tardigrades can lose 99% of their water or be frozen in liquid nitrogen and still survive. Their secret? Instead of resisting extremes, they embrace them, pausing life until danger passes. This strategy puts them in a class of their own. The tardigrade's resilience is a powerful symbol. Strength isn't always about size or aggression. Sometimes it's about yielding, waiting, and enduring. The water bear survives not by fighting its environment, but by becoming one with it. It's a profound lesson in resilience from one of nature's smallest giants. No other creature has perfected survival quite like the tardigrade. Studying tardigrades could revolutionize medicine and technology. If we unlock their secrets, we might preserve organs for transplant, protect astronauts from radiation, or improve cancer treatments. Tardigrades also expand our search for life beyond Earth, showing that life can survive in unimaginable extremes. They remind us that resilience comes in unexpected forms. The humble water bear is a testament to nature's ingenuity and may hold keys to our own survival. As we learn from these microscopic giants, we're not just exploring their world, we're redefining the limits of life itself. The tardigrade's story is far from over.